Okay, so now we're going to do an example about area. Now, area is the region enclosed by a shape. So the area of this rectangle, for example, is the total number of, I suppose, little squares you might fit in that. So hopefully you remember that when we're talking about the area of a rectangle is actually equal to its length multiplied by its width. And we can simplify that using algebra pronumerals as L times W. So length, L stands for length and W stands for width. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. So to work out the area of this rectangle, we need to multiply its length by its width. So hopefully you can see that this is the length of our rectangle. That's L, which is 6x plus 8, and the width of our rectangle is this dimension here, and that is equal to 4x minus 2. So the area of this, if we want to come up with an algebraic expression for the area of this rectangle, then the area would equal the length times the width, that's L times W, which is going to equal 6x plus 8. Now when in doubt, use brackets. There's nothing wrong with using brackets. And in this case, when you are multiplying algebraic expressions, you always have to use brackets, okay? So it helps you so much to use brackets, and you'll actually end up getting the wrong answer if you don't. So you must remember to use your brackets. So it's 6x plus 8 multiplied by the width, which in this case is 4x minus 2. Now, that's the expression for the area. Now let's say then we wanted to work out or calculate the area of this shape if x equaled 3. So we want to calculate the area. Calculate the area. Oops. Calculate the area if x had a value of 3, we'll work with meters this time, so 3 meters. So all our dimensions here are in meters. So what do you think we then do? How are we going to work out the value of the area of x equals 3? That's right, you guessed it. You actually substitute the value of x equals 3 into the expression. So wherever we see the value x, which is here and here, we're going to substitute the value 3. So the area in this case, the value of the area when x equals 3 is going to equal 6. Now it's 6 times x, but we're going to substitute x for 3, so it's going to be 6 times 3 plus 8. Close our bracket, open a new one, multiplied by 4 times x, but x is 3, so it's going to be 4 times 3 minus 2. So let's now work out each of these brackets. Remember, always do our multiplications and divisions first. Our pluses and minuses come last. So 6 times 3 is 18, so that's going to be 18 plus 8 multiplied by 4 times 3 is 12 minus 2. So 18 plus 8 is 26, I think, yep, 26 multiplied by, I'll put it in brackets, multiplied by 12 minus 2 is 10, so it's 26 multiplied by 10, actually I don't need the brackets now, do I? Just 26 times 10, which is 260. Now, because we were working in meters, our dimensions were in meters, and because we've gone meters times meters again, length times width, that's meters times meters, that actually means that our area is going to be meters times meters, which is in meters squared. So our answer will be 260 meters squared. So that's how we work out the area of that particular rectangle.